Next up, we're going to go and open up Zapier again, and we're going to create a new Zap. Go make a Zap. This Zap's going to be for the return journey. So this is going to be Descript to Google Drive. So our first trigger is going to be Descript, and it's going to be when a new transcription is ready. We have to sign into Descript. Okay, press continue. Test and review to make sure we've got the data we want. Okay, we can now actually see the transcription inside of this data file, which is cool. Press done editing, and now we're going to want to add in our Google Drive and select where we want it to go. So choose an action event, we're going to upload the file, press continue, sign into Google Drive. So we're actually going to want to choose which folder this goes into. We're going to want to put it back in the same folder that it came from. Again, we have to select this more than once to find the subfolder. Okay. Then the file is going to be a Microsoft Word file for this one. And obviously you can change the file name if you'd like to, but we're not going to do it now. Press continue. And then test and review. Okay, so it says a test upload file was sent to Google Drive, so pop over and see if it's uploaded. Great, we've now got a matching Word document of the transcripted file with our transcript here. Nice. Final part, let's just add in a Gmail notification to send to ourselves just to let us know that it's actually been done. So get Gmail, send an email. Pop in an email address, subject, you can obviously enter whichever you like, but we're just going to say which file name was recorded. Obviously you can send this to your team, you can send it to yourself, whoever needs to know, your editor or whoever puts your podcast episodes together. Cool. Press continue. Test continue, just to check that it all worked well. And that's it. You're done. You have two files working together. As soon as you turn the Zap on, you'll watch the folder and send your file between Descript and Google Drive. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is a little time-saving tip for podcasters. There'll be much more to come. If you have any suggestions of things you'd like us to work on or automate, be sure to get in touch. You can find me at Tom Osborne inside of Slack, or you can reach out to me directly on Twitter or any of the other MakePad team. Have a good day. Speak to you soon. Bye.